Hello, this is Steve Landis, and this is my new bike engine that I just bought. $199, and it just came in today from UPS. I'm going to open it now. Alright, got a couple boxes. This might be the exhaust pipe. Or it looks like it might be the gas tank. Here's the gas tank for my bike engine. It's all wrapped up, but you can sort of see it. That box is empty. Ooh. This must be the engine. It's pretty heavy. Yep, here's the engine. Wow, that's heavy. I need to put the camera down. Look at this guy. Ooh. Spark plug, clutch cable, cylinder. Yep. Here's my 44 teeth sprocket. Goes on my bike. Right here. The bike engine will actually go right in the middle of my bike. See if I can get my bike out of here first. There we go. The engine will go right about here, as long as it has clearance. Hopefully it does. Next box. Oh, wait. One more thing in this box. Let's see if we can get this open. Here we have twist grip throttle, carburetor, all the wires we need, gas intake line. Next box. Oh, there's our instruction manual. That looks like it's important. Just so you can see. Next box. This is probably the exhaust pipe. So that's the only thing left that needs to go onto the bike. Genius. Huh. Let's see. Chain guard. CDI ignition box. Control clutch mounting brackets. Idler pulley. tools that I need. Size 415 chain. Don't know what that is. And the exhaust pipe. Most important part of the bike kit. Alright, let's set everything up so I can give a nice big picture of this. Almost everything is nice and wrapped up. This will probably be going on YouTube soon. A couple people wanted to see it. They might get it soon. That'd be really nice. We have actual engine, gas tank, size 415 chain, some junk and tools and stuff that I'll probably need. Wait, that's the muffler, that's the chain. Clutch and cable, chain guard, the mount for the sprocket, ignition and spark plug box, idler pulley, something I don't know what that is, carburetor and throttle with a kill switch, and opposite grip for other side. Well, that's my bike engine.